Now you can see how quickly it's cutting through the dirt on these tires. Like, it's just literally melting it away. And the best way for these products to perform at its best is to let that sit a little bit before we do any type of agitation. So we're gonna let that sit.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Garcia Brothers here, checking in from Silver Spring, Maryland, back with another video. Today we are going to talk about Meguiars non-acid wheel cleaner. This is our newest wheel cleaner of choice. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah. This is our newest wheel cleaner of choice. We have been using P&S Brake Buster, which is another non-acid wheel cleaner, pretty often. The price has jumped significantly within the past few years, so we moved away from that a little bit, and now we are using Meguiars non-acid. We get this for a really good price, and we really like the performance of this. We have been using this all over different types of wheels, wheel wells, which are always really dirty. We use it on floor mats, we use it on tires, we use it on almost every type of wheel. We use it as like a pre-spray as well on the wheels before we even start the rinse. It foams up super nice and has amazing cleaning power. For your super dirty wheels, it's not really gonna cut through some of them, especially like aluminum or wheels that are dirty enough with that they require acid. We use this full strength in our Shine Supply 32-ounce bottle. At times we dilute it with a tiny bit of water, but we notice that it performs best when it's full strength. That way we can get the best use out of it. Now, we go through these gallons pretty quickly, but we don't get them too expensive, so which is really cool. Now, I'll show you a few different clips on how we use them on different types of wheels. For this one that we're working on today is a 2012 Acura MDX, and these wheels look like they haven't gotten proper treatment in a really long time. So we're gonna go about cleaning those. melted a lot of the dirt on the tires, which is really good. Now this is our second spray, and you can see that there's really not too much browning going on. So just letting it sit, it definitely helped destroy a lot of that dirt. Actually doing pretty well inside those wheelbarrows. We're still gonna need some acid, but it's definitely working. Like,